This is topic number 4, working of the nervous system. So, working of the nervous system can be differentiated to three phases. First, receptor, effectors, and response. First, receptors. Receptor are the organs or cells, sensory cell, which receive the change take place in our environment stimuli. So stimuli is basically the change in the environment. So this change is received by the cell, special cell or organs. Such cell or organs are called receptors. Explanation. Whenever there is some change in our external and internal environment occur, the body first feel this change through special organs or cell called receptors. Most important organs for receiving information from the environment are our sense organs like eye, ear, skin, tongue, and nose. So, the receptors are the organs which receive the stimuli both from both environment, internal environment and external environment, and then these sensations are changed and delivered to the central nervous system. And in our body, the main sensory organs are example of sensory organs are eye, ear, skin, tongue, and nose. These are the 5 major sensory organs present in our body. These receptors send the information to the central nervous system by sensory neuron, where the analysis of information take place on the basis of previous experience or decision is made. This sentence means that when the receptor receive the stimuli, it delivered to the sensory neuron. The sensory neuron carry the information to the central nervous system for information take place or analysis. So analysis means to observe the situations, to take initiative or to prepare response for particular stimuli or sensation. So then decision is made. Decision is made means that the final response is prepared. Decision means final response. Final response against the stimuli or stimulus. Effector are the organs which produce response for stimulus. Muscles or glands. These organs give stimulus to stimuli. Effector receive the decision information from the central nervous system by the motor neuron, and then the effector work accordingly. So the motor neuron carry the decision or information and then deliver to effector, and then effector give response to particular stimuli. Response. The reaction to the stimulus is called response. When the effector receive message, then the response is done. So the mechanism of coordination system can be summarized. So this sentence means that when the effector receive message or response, so the response is done or the work is done. So the overall working of the nervous system is represented by the following sketch or diagram. First, the stimulus is produced, the stimulus is received by the receptor then deliver the stimulus to the sensory neuron carry the stimulus to central nervous system, the central nervous system analyze and prepare the response, and then the response or decision delivered to motor neuron, the motor neuron carry the information or decision to effectors, the effector then give response. Example, when door of your house is knocked, our ears receptor receive the sound waves and send it to the brain on the basis of the previous experience. Previous experience means that we feel that knocking of the door is the sign of meeting. So this is the previous experience. So we understand, store in the memory, understand that someone has come to meet us. Brain orders through motor neurons to the effectors or legs to move and take you to the door. So then signal are communicated to the hand to move and open the door. So this is the example, and in this case the receptor is the air, and then the motor neuron carry the information or decision to the muscles. So our legs and hands are basically effectors. So there are two types of effectors involved in this example. Legs is also effector, and hand also effectors. So then the open is the door is open, we open the door. So this is the example of working of the nervous system. So if you have any question, commit me, I will give answer. Thank you.